Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to stop Filmora Wondershare version 12 from lagging. So basically, a lot of us guys keep working on our big projects and unfortunately, the projects just get laggy and laggy more and more as we add more videos and clips and extension and effects to it. So how can we actually prevent this from happening, or how can we reduce the amount of lag that we are having? Basically, so first of all guys, when you bring a project and you add a video into your uh, um, Filmora, something like that will be appeared in here, which is the video that you can see the result that you are having or doing in here. Basically, if you reduce the quality of this video, you will not affect the quality of the video that you will export later on. So if you make it, for example, for to quarter quality, it's true, it is reduced in here, but after you export it, it will be as it was for quality. So this thing, if you reduce it here, will help you a lot with lag. So first of all, this is the first thing that I highly suggest you to do. Now, the second thing is closing any kind of app that consumes RAM, CPU, or GPU. For example, Google Chrome. Google Chrome actually like eats RAM. They actually their food, the favorite food is RAM. So basically, while you are working on any kind of project, make sure that you are closing your Google Chrome. The other method, which is maybe you can add extra RAM for your PC in order to make it faster. And the third way, which is going to Task Manager. And from here, guys, go to I think Startup, no details. And from here, go to your program, which is Filmora, and then click right click and give it a priority high. So this will give it a priority in your PC, and your PC will keep giving it as much CPU and GPU and RAM space that the program it need. So yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.